Hi, I'm Glenn with Family Handyman. Welcome to my backyard. I love sitting out here. We can have a conversation, I can light a fire. It's very comfortable, but we wanted to do something different for our backyard issue. And to do that, we traveled to New Mexico. We built a unique backyard living space, low maintenance. It's super comfortable. Let me show you how we did it. Just like with every remodeling project, this one began with some cleanup and some demolition. Once we determined exactly where we wanted the boardwalk, we had to dig a trench so that it would be level with the rest of the ground. We removed some dirt and we got ready with our landscaping 2x4s so that we could build the frame. Then we brought in some gravel that would help lock in the framing and create a good drainage system for us. And then we laid down our composite decking. We added miter cuts at the corners, and for a very simple boardwalk, it's beautiful. The boardwalk leads right to our seating area. And to get started with that, we had to determine the placement of our Gabion baskets. You've seen these in erosion control or for other industrial functions. We like them for their design and style. Gabion baskets are simple wire mesh baskets that you fill with rocks. Determine where you want them placed, level the ground, and you begin moving your rocks to fill the baskets. We used 3 tons of boulders for our Gabion baskets. Sounds like a lot of work, but it was really pretty easy. Once our Gabion baskets were full, we moved on to our architectural boxes. These are simple wood frame structures that we covered with an exterior wall panel, commonly called hardy board. This gives us a stucco-like look in a low-maintenance, durable finish that all we had to do was paint. These boxes add another design element to our backyard living area and help us tie the benches together with the boardwalk and the Gabion. For our benches, we framed wooden boxes that we could cover with the composite decking. Same decking we used on our boardwalk, and it's a low-maintenance, highly durable structure that's comfortable as well. We continued the design of our backyard using more of the composite decking to build wall panels. We attach these right to the concrete block. It's a simple design that helps break up the look of that otherwise bland block. Now that our seating area is finished, we can finish it off with our fire pit. To build this fire pit, we used a Gabion basket inside another Gabion basket. That gives us a perimeter of stone, and our fire pan and burner sits right inside perfectly. We added a non-combustible box next to that, and that holds our propane tank. It's a simple design that adds the fun of a fire pit to our backyard living space. From start to finish, our backyard living space was completed in less than 2 weeks. It looks beautiful here in our desert landscape in New Mexico, but you could build this anywhere. For more great backyard projects, visit us at familyhandyman.com.